Modern over-the toilet storage is a functional and stylish solution designed to maximize the use of space in bathrooms. This innovative storage option utilizes the area above the toilet, which is often overlooked, to provide additional storage for toiletries, towels, and other bathroom essentials. One of the key features of modern over-the-toilet storage is its sleek and contemporary design. It is crafted to complement modern bathroom aesthetics, featuring clean lines, minimalistic shapes, and a variety of finishes to match different decor styles. Whether your bathroom has a minimalist, industrial, or farmhouse theme, you can find over-the-toilet storage units that blend seamlessly with the overall design. These storage units are available in various configurations to cater to different storage needs. Some may consist of open shelves, allowing you to display and access items easily. Others may include closed cabinets or drawers, providing a concealed storage solution for a neater and clutter-free appearance. Combination units that offer a mix of open and closed storage compartments are also popular, offering versatility in organizing bathroom essentials. The materials used in modern over-the-toilet storage units are often chosen for their durability and moisture-resistant properties. Common materials include sturdy wood, metal, or a combination of both. These materials are designed to withstand the humid environment of the bathroom and are often finished with protective coatings to prevent damage from moisture or water splashes. Aside from storage space, modern over-the-toilet units may also feature additional functionalities. Some models include built-in towel racks or hooks, allowing you to hang towels or robes conveniently. Others may incorporate adjustable shelves or removable dividers, enabling you to customize the storage space according to your specific needs. Installing modern over-the-toilet storage is typically a straightforward process. Most units are designed to be freestanding and can be placed directly over the toilet without the need for complicated mounting or drilling. This makes them a practical solution for renters or those who prefer not to make permanent modifications to their bathroom. However, wall-mounted options are also available for a more secure and space-saving installation.